Hi guys, welcome to Spotaria channel. So in this video, I'll share you how to iPhone screenshot without home button. And without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the setting and look for accessibility. If it is found, go click. Then click touch on the physical and motor menu. Click Assistive Touch. In the custom action, you can choose the type for the screenshots action. And I use a long press here for screenshot. So you just need to long press the Assistive Touch. And if you use the double tap, you can find screenshot and click. And let's try double tap. Apart from assistive, you can also use another option for screenshot without home button. Same as before, you have to go to setting and click accessibility and found the touch. But at this time, don't click Assistive Touch, but scroll to the bottom and you will find back tap. Click it and you can set it to screenshot on double tap or triple tap. But guys, unfortunately, this method only can be used from iPhone 8 and above. Well, that's it, a tutorial from me. See you on the next video and good luck.